You ever upload a YouTube short, sit there refreshing the page, and it just won't move? 0 views for hours, maybe even days. Yeah, welcome to 0 view jail. It's real. And today I'm gonna show you exactly how to escape it for good. I've been through it. It's frustrating, confusing, and honestly feels unfair. Like YouTube's punishing you for no reason. But here's the truth. 0 view jail is not about your content being bad. It's YouTube not pushing your video into the shorts feed. And without that, your video's invisible. But the good news? There's a real system to get out. Let's break it down, step by step.
Yeah, boy.
First, let's define it. If 99% of your views aren't coming from the shorts feed and your analytics look like this, you're cooked. That's 0 view jail. Even a low quality video would get pushed a little if YouTube actually tested it. But in jail, you don't even get that shot. And it's usually caused by one of 3 things: new account flagged as a bot, bad metadata patterns, or straight up platform glitches. If you're on a brand new channel, do not just start uploading. YouTube hates when you come out of nowhere and start posting shorts like a robot. Instead, do what real people do. Here's your warm-up plan. Watch 2 to 3 long-form videos per day. Scroll the shorts feed for 15 to 20 minutes. Like and comment on a few like a human. Repeat for 2 to 3 days. It sounds dumb, but YouTube's trying to detect if you're a bot or not. Act like a human, the platform will treat you like one. Okay, what if nothing's working? Here are 4 battle-tested hacks that have worked for real creators. Upload the same video from a different IP. Upload a 1-minute long-form video with your face just talking about anything. Then unlist it. Switch Gmail accounts entirely. Some emails are just cursed. No idea why. Try uploading only once per day. Some accounts penalize bulk. If you're reusing content, even slightly, and uploading from sketchy apps or third-party tools, YouTube will bury your videos faster than you can say CapCut. Let's say your video finally gets pushed. Now your only job is to make people stay. That's where retention comes in. The algorithm doesn't care how good your content is. It cares how long people watch and whether they comment, like, or rewatch. So every video needs 3 things: a hook that creates questions, a story that holds curiosity, a CTA that's funny or interactive. Top channels do this on repeat. The longer people watch, the more YouTube rewards you. Here's the truth, 0 view jail sucks, but it's beatable. And once you escape it, you'll know exactly what to look for. If this helped you escape the YouTube black hole, let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Whether it's niche selection, monetization hacks, or automation setup, I got you. Your first viral short might be closer than you think.